patching up walls like a beast. I'm in all your haters' brain when you sleep on your worst nightmare. MUDMANDAN, I'm the talk of the town, leaving all the haters in the background. I'm who? MUDMANDAN, that's who. Don't forget, when I step onto the scene, repping drywall patching, ain't nobody can match it. My skills everlasting, I'm MUDMANDAN, with my pen and knife, the ruler of the patching scene. Leaving all these other Facebook keyboard warriors in a never-ending battle, wishing they had my drywall patching title. MUDMANDAN, I'm the drywall patch master, I got the touch, smoothing patches out, I do it without a crutch. You jealous haters just stand there in awe, cause I make all I patch and look better than yours. I'm faster than a bullet, using 5-minute hot mud and blow dryers on sticks. Every patch I make, it's like a masterpiece. I fix it up quick like a superhero in disguise, leaving no trace of those cracks, no need for compromise. I'm the most interesting drywall patch man in the world. Who am I? MUDMANDAN, that's who. Haters be jealous, you watch me on Facebook and Instagram. I bring the fire, no one can match my drywall patching desire. Don't forget my name, it will burn in your brain. MUDMANDAN, that's who.